This is a video about a bug in YouTube. The bug is that your changes are still being saved is not true. So I'm using Firefox now and I'm trying to edit the video. Just changing the info and settings. I added some tags and I put a little bit of text in the description. This is stuck on your changes are being saved. I can cancel that, but I cannot save the changes manually. They've disabled that feature. No matter what I do in here to change it, it sticks. So I can't get it to save the changes. Now if I try and go somewhere else, there is an on before unload event handler. That event handler is going to tell me that if I leave the page, then the data that I have entered may not be saved. So I don't want to do that. I want to stay on the page. I want to save my data. So there's really no way out of this. If I push these other navigation buttons, I get the same on before unload event handler dialog. This is something that YouTube should probably fix. Now, if you've ever called into YouTube, well, don't waste your time. Long story short, it doesn't work. They don't answer. They're not going to call you back. So this is just another example of issues with Google products, and YouTube is not saving this. This sort of design tends to be the result of programmers who do not understand how to use callbacks. So for example, if they were trying to save the data, and if that code that was trying to save the data failed, then there has to be an error handler as a callback, so that when that failure occurs, that the user can still get a chance to try it again. Click on the button, re-enable the button. They automatically try to save it, and if that fails, well then re-enable the button so that the user can save it, or at least make an attempt to. And then if that attempt fails, then re-enable that button again. This is the problem that we're having. An issue with programmers at Google not knowing basic callbacks. And this is not the first time that this has happened to me. That's why I had to make this video, because I'm getting sick and tired of wasting my time on YouTube with their unskilled, inept programmers who don't seem to be able to handle basic callbacks, basic asynchronous programming skills and concepts. So if you work for YouTube, you need to fix this bug.